Hi, I'm Darren, and today we've got a little fun craft project hack. Marna the other day was over at the dollar store and she found the cutest little guitars and she thought these just might be the right size for the 18-inch dolls. And as you can see here, they came in a couple of styles. They've got the classic acoustic guitar and the more modern electric guitar. And they're quite a lot of fun. They actually kind of play. But they do not have strap hooks. So what we have done here is, you can see, somebody with talent might actually be able to play a tune. So what we have here is some eyelets, little bitty, tiny bitty bits. I got these on Amazon. They come in a couple of different colors, quite a few different colors. And what I had to do here to make this work, now we're going to install this here on the side. This is on the end here. This is the traditional place where a strap would go. And what I did here first is I took a needle and I found the center here more or less where I wanted it and pushed my way in. And then pulled it back out and left a little hole. Now, with a pair of needle nose, I can kind of get this eyelet started. A little eye hook. And you just get right in here on the hole. And once you get it started, it's pretty flimsy plastic, so it'll thread its way in quite easily. And then here we go, and done. Simple little craft. And then Marna, what she did is she took some of her ribbon. You can take any color, any style, obviously, that you want. She had this bright neon green that she likes, a lime green, and she simply tied it to one end and then came through here almost like a capo, if you know what that is. It's just a way to change the sound of your guitar, and tied it off here. And you can see on the electric guitar, that's how it turned out. So hopefully you like this, what we have done here. We have picked up a few extra, and Marna has here a fun little hidden giveaway here. So if you are a subscriber, if you leave a comment down below, and it has to be a verifiable subscriber, and like it if you do. I don't do this, I'm not real good at this, but what are we supposed to do? She wants to be able to put me in front of the camera and make fun of me. So do those things. We will send this to you, to the winner, and you have two choices. I can send you the eyelet, and we'll tape it in there and make sure you get it. And you can install it yourself, or if you want, I will install it before sending it to you in case you don't have, pokey things, pliers, or the desire to stab yourself. And they can be installed two ways. We did here, we installed it on the bottom in the traditional place, and then here on the electric guitar, we did it up here up top, just so it would hang a little differently. Your choice. So, thank you for watching. Please, be kind, leave a like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Go ahead, ring the bell too. Why not? Thanks for watching.